struggling with overheating M.2 SSDs? This 5mm low-profile heatsink is designed specifically for 2280 length M.2 drives, offering an easy way to keep your SSD cool even in tight spaces. Its slim design fits perfectly behind motherboards or on M.2 adapters, making it a versatile cooling solution for various setups. What makes this heatsink stand out is its cross-cut aluminum alloy fins. These fins maximize heat dissipation by increasing surface area, which helps transfer heat away from your SSD more efficiently. Plus, it comes with thermal pads for hassle-free installation, so you don't need extra tools or expertise to get started. One of the key benefits is its compatibility with PS5 M.2 NVMe storage upgrades. If you're expanding your console's storage, this heatsink ensures your new drive runs cooler and more reliably. The included heat-resistant silicone rings secure the heatsink firmly in place, preventing any movement that could reduce cooling effectiveness. A user from the United States shared their experience. They installed this heatsink on an M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 drive located behind their motherboard. Before installation, the drive's temperature hovered in the 70s, which raised concerns about potential performance issues. After attaching the heatsink, the metal surface warmed up quickly, proving excellent heat transfer. However, the user noticed that without airflow, the heat tended to linger on the heatsink, so temperatures didn't drop significantly. Once a small fan airflow was introduced, the SSD's temperature fell noticeably. This highlights the importance of pairing the heatsink with active cooling, especially in tight or enclosed cases where airflow is limited. If your setup allows for some airflow, this heatsink can make a real difference in maintaining lower SSD temperatures. It's a simple, affordable upgrade that protects your investment and can extend the lifespan of your drive by preventing thermal throttling. For anyone considering an M.2 SSD upgrade or looking to improve existing storage cooling, this slim 5mm heatsink is worth a look. It balances compact design with effective heat dissipation, and the easy installation process means you can have it running in minutes. If that's you, try this heatsink when you're ready to enhance your SSD's performance and reliability. Combining it with even minimal airflow will unlock its full potential and keep your system running smoothly.